In this tutorial, I will show you how to free extra disk space used by Docker. When you build images frequently on the same image, there is tendency of creating dangling images. There is a Docker command that free extra disk space used by Docker, and this will help you also free some space when you build large image that fails at the middle of building process. Let's us go and see how to do it. No need to do this to demonstrate how to use the command, but we will start by creating a Docker file that build Node.js application as shown here. Now let's us build our Docker image. Let's add more file to our Docker image, then we will build another image again. As you can see, we start observing dangling images. This will pile up as we change and add more data to our Docker image. Now it is time to remove all dangling Docker images using the following command. As you can see, this command warns you about the actions will occur once you accept to run it. Great! Today you learned something new. Till next time we meet on another tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Happy learning!